Show Granny what Johan taught you.
May I put my glasses on, Owen, and see your watch? Please, may I see your sport watch?
Can Granny see your watch, oh? So she can see how...
Oh, please, let me look. I won't touch it. Let me look.
Oh, she got me here.
Oh, let's look. Oh, how pretty. Jingle, jingle. Let's look. Oh, pretty.
No.
Oh, they're beautiful. Should we give
Watch out,
Daddy his package?
Watch out for coffee.
What's in here? My chocolate?
Oh,
Santa.
Oh. Oh, that must be for me.
No, it's not yours. No.
Oh, it has a Santa Claus on.
Oh, some beautiful candles.
Granny wrapped them up in plastic.
Smell. Oh, smell. Oh,
Look it.
wow. That's Poppy's.
That's
What's that?
Poppy's.
Here.
Is it cigars
I
for
don't know
Poppy?
whose that's for.
Oh, look.
I wonder if
C's
Granny
chocolates.
Gigi made
Yummy.
that.
Thank you,
That's a
Gigi.
sport hat. Thank you, Gigi. Freddie the
Oh, and you want to say thank you, Gigi?
These
The
are
fireman
stickers.
sticker.
Look at it. Stickers from Gigi. They're fireman stickers. Here's Freddie the fireman.
I've never
and you
seen
can
a
dress
hat
him.
like that before. That is so cool.
It's a very
Look at the
modern
ear.
hat.
Is it a
It's
modern?
very Portland in Seattle.
Is it?
Yes, very.
Look at the ears. Look at the ears. He's
Show Gigi on the camera.
Let Gigi see your hat. Oh, and let Gigi
Yes.
see your hat.
He has pants and...
What a cute hat.
Can I
Oh.
see her?
Oh, can you see her?
What?
Oh, he's doffing his hat. He's lifting his hat up like a gentleman to say hello.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
He needs help. The brim goes
There
in
you go.
front.
Well, the brim goes anywhere you want it. It depends how hip you are. If it goes to the side, if you're cool.
Okay.
Thank you, Gigi.
You want to say thanks to
Thank you,
Gigi?
There's nothing else in there, hon. That stuff is for Mommy. Those are gloves.